How to generate leads with Chatgpt. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a quick look at how you can generate leads using Chatgpt. So let's get into it. Now, to get any kind of leads, you do need to have some potential business that you have established, and you want to be able to target leads accordingly. Now, ChatGPT can't just provide you with email addresses. So if you ask it, so can you give me some leads for a clothing store? Now, it's going to provide me ideas. Now, it's not going to give me direct leads. So instead of having this kind of prompt, which is not very applicable, you can search for a prompt like, so can you provide email address leads for sales? Now, it's not going to be able to provide you with leads. However, it's going to give you the potential places that you could find those leads. But one thing ChatGPT doesn't really do well in terms of finding leads is getting you the emails that you need. So for that, I recommend using a platform like igleads.io. You can also just take the leads that you have from your own e-commerce business. You can create forms, newsletters. Those are great ways to start collecting and building your customer base. And if you're starting from scratch, then IG Leads is definitely the way to go. It is no longer a free software. They don't provide a free trial. However, if you take a look at their pricing, it starts at $49 per month, where you can have 10K emails monthly. You get business to business emails, phone numbers, Instagram scraping, Facebook scraping, and this can really help you in terms of finding your customer base, especially on social media platforms. So you can use any kind of email scraping platform to get emails for potential customers. Now, okay, I have some emails. I've collected emails over my website or over a form or a discount, and that I already have. But how am I supposed to effectively communicate with those leads using ChatGPT? Well, here is where ChatGPT comes in super helpful. So ChatGPT can really provide you with amazing email, cold call emails. You have cold call scripts as well, and it can really give you a good way to navigate through cold calling or cold emailing your potential leads. So what you want to do is you want to go on ahead and ask ChatGPT to write you a cold email for a specific product or the line of product. So you want to first provide ChatGPT with the information about your e-commerce business or whatever you're trying to sell to your customer or to the lead. You want to provide information about that first. So what I'm doing is I've provided it with adequate information about what I'm trying to sell. What this is going to help you do is that instead of having a very basic email, a very basic cold email, it's going to actually give you a template that is very, very specific to the item that you're selling. So I'm trying to sell a baking course that's online for my customers or, to my leads. And I'm trying to really get people interested in that. So instead of having a very basic one, this is going to allow you to create a very tailored email to that specific item that you're selling. And with leads, instead of targeting your entire store or your entire business, you are going to take a specific collection that you have a reason to believe that the customers or leads will be interested in, a specific item that they're going to be interested in. That is going to be what you're going to target instead of trying to sell them everything all at once. You want to take one particular item, one particular product that you have or service that you have, and target that in your cold email. Why? If you're listing all the possible items, then it's going to be difficult for people to choose. They're going to be like, oh, it's just another email. But if it's actually something they're interested in and it's only one item, they are very inclined to actually look at your entire email and actually read through it and go through to your link, to your purchasing link, and purchase the item from you. Now, another great way is to include information about a competitor. So you could say, hey, we provide this course for only $40, which you don't want to be, referencing a direct competitor. You just want to be like, hey, usually a course like this would cost you around $100, while we are currently providing you this at $40. So this gives people a better incentive. It incentivizes them further to purchase the item from you. It could be any item. You can apply these same rules for a service or a product. It really doesn't matter. You're still going to follow the same kind of steps to reach the desired course, which is to get people to purchase. So you guys can see it's taking more time to generate this instead of generating it very quickly, because it's trying to include all the information that I gave the AI about my business. So in this way, you can generate leads, and you can just go on ahead and copy and paste this, and all you have to do is change the recipient's name for all of your potential leads, and then you're going to be able to send this email to any of your potential lead. Now, you can apply the same method down the sales funnel as well. So if you have pre-existing customers, you can email them with discounts using ChatGPT, as well as whenever you get a new potential lead, you can go on ahead and take a prompt like this, and you can be like, hey, I'm trying to get a customer to purchase and they have abandoned their cart, and I want them to purchase this time. So can you write an email for a 5% discount on their cart? So that is going to be another great way to get potential leads into actual converting customers on in your business or in your store. So I hope you guys have found these tips to be helpful, and you're now able to start with your leads using ChatGPT, and you can use any lead generation tool. I definitely do think that organic leads are definitely going to be the best way to go, especially if you don't have a lot of investment in your business. But if you do want to collect online leads, then this is definitely the place for you. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.